बिशरहली सदरी व यस्सिरली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। बच्चों, we are solving chapter number 9. Today we are going to solve the question number 13 of exercise 9A. In this question, Ethan, Farhan and Michael invested 4,27,000, 6,71,000 and 3,05,000 in a property respectively. Respectively means in the same sequence the amount is written in which the names are written, and they agreed to share the profit in the ratio of their investment. After a few years they sold the property for $18,97,500. Find the amount of profit each of them received. Now, ratio of the Ethan, Farhan and Michael's property investment, that is equal to 4,27,000, 6,71,000, 3,05,000. After dividing with the 1000, we will get 427, 671 and 305. Next we are going to simplify these amount. I have divided them with 61. You can divide them with some any smaller number, but ultimately you will get the same ratio, that is 7:11:5. Now the property sold at the price $18,97,500, and the cost price of the property is the collective amount of all the three, Ethan, Farhan and Michael's ratio, that is 4,27,000 plus 6,71,000 plus $3,05,000. After adding them, we will get the cost price $14,03,000. Total amount of profit earned, we will subtract the cost price from the sale price, and then we will get the profit, that is 4,94,500. That is the total amount of the profit they get collectively. Now we have to find out the share. The share will be distributed according to the ratios of their amount which they have given in the cost price, that is 7:11:5. The total ratio is 7 plus 11 plus 5, that is equal to 23. Now to find out their individual ratio of the profit, the amount of the profit, we will divide the ratio of Ethan divided by the total ratio, that is 23, and the share of the Ethan was 7. 7 by 23 multiplied by the whole amount of the profit, that is 4,94,500. After multiplying the profit with 7 and dividing by 23, we will get the share of the Ethan, that is $1,50,000. Now, the amount of the profit Farhan received, the Farhan share will be 11, and the total ratio was 23 multiplied by the whole profit, $94,500. After multiplying profit with the 11 and dividing by 23, we will get the share of the Farhan, that is 2,36,000. Now the profit amount of the Michael, that is the 5 by 23. Michael has the ratio 5 in the whole cost price divided by the whole ratio 23 multiplied the 4,94,500. That will be 1,07,500. That was the amount of the profit of Michael. Girls, that's all. If you have any ambiguity, any query, you can ask to me. I am waiting for your response. Write down or solve this question on your LNW register and solve it. After solving it, send me your feedback. I am waiting for it.